the realest dudes in the game. So real, we rapping with our mamas giving names. When we show up at the party, everybody acting sane. But back in the days, I couldn't get no water in the rain. Used to treat me like a dumbass, now you looking like a lame. I'm rapping paranormal, creepy like that movie Fright Night. My dark words to make Alan Poe on the nightlight. But when I wasn't doing good, you didn't act right. Now you wanna get comfy, I'm living that life that you can't have. Trying to play me like US do A-Raps. This shit is 9/11 all bad. I feel like Malcolm Littlewater, Euro girls thinking I'm rad. My gothic topics got you acting out of pocket. But when I wasn't doing good, you couldn't chop it. Acting like a best friend, and when I drop a hit, you cock blocking it. Now you wanna pass me your card in the club, cause you see your profit. You only getting closer to getting your wig split. Quit playing yourself, stop it. Think before you talk shit. If you ain't to blame, stop acting culprit. Calm down now, we here. You acting all juice like I gave you a fly, saying free beer. Curb and Chris all inside your inner ear. Killing your image, you're gonna have to change your career. Cause now you see that the picture is clear. We the dudes in VIP while you wait in the rear. Tables have turned, hate you gave, same return. Boss in our court, now your meeting's adjourned. I'm closer.
You wanna try to front and diss until you found out it was Curb and Chris. And now you're on the dick. You wanna hug and then a kiss, but it's too late cause you could never be that close to me.
Yeah, girl. First you was high posting shit. Now you wanna be close to a pimp, huh? Yeah. Look who's talking now with a smile. Didn't wanna be down, now you want me around. Trying to get next to me, wanting to do some ecstasy. Telling me I'm sexy and how you love in my belly. Sounding ridiculous, cause you know the meticulous way that I flow. Got my career on some magniculous. 3 times dope shit, bell business devote shit. Poisonous women trying to sip on my adrenaline. But I remember when you was dissing, wasn't listening to a player's game plan. Now you wanna shake hands, take photos. I got you open like photos on a car. You wanna roll with these rap stars, but me and SIN got the CNN on you. You rotten and you spoiled, and we can't do nothing for you. You old news, and we got on new shoes that we used to step over you busters and you haters. Yes, we blowing up and know you can never deflate us. Cause we taking stages and now you wanna engage us. Cause we turning tables and you will never be able to turn back the clock, nigga. Stay on a jock, nigga. That's the only way you gon' be able to stay closer. Idolize the posters while we sipping mimosas. Focus. Your rhymes are ambiguous and you oblivious to pimp shit, meaning us. So keep that chip on your shoulder, cause I'm walking with a boulder and it's ready to drop. Oh no, you motherfuckers that thought we would flop, but we hot, rockin' the spot while you in the parking lot, bitch.
You wanna try to front and diss until you found out it was Curb and Chris. And now you're on the diss.